Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving.
Oke teman-teman, jadi ini kita mau servis si Trungtung ya. Kemarin sempat dibawa ke Gunung Salak, saya jatuh. Kemudian jalurnya juga agak berlumut, jadi memang itu sepenuhnya salah dari saya. Jadi di sini ada beberapa part yang mau diganti, yaitu pertama adalah segitiganya ngeretak, kemudian ngeberesin sambungan rem juga. Basic Honda Astrea Legenda yang saya bikin semi trail cup ya, karena saya memang suka adventure. Jadi modif begini habis berapa? Wah, kurang tahu deh, karena saya juga nyicil sih modifnya ya, karena memang pengen coba-coba dan ada referensi dan juga pengaruh kenyamanan saya ya. Ini tuh jalurnya tuh teman-teman. Semalam saya lewat sini nih jam 12 malam. Tahu sendiri kan, malam-malam kita semalam lewat sini, cuma nggak sempat ke-record full. Jadi ya karena baterainya habis. Jalurnya agak berlumut nih teman-teman. Ada bang dek. Bensin. Mati mesin. Tar. Ininya nyerosot nih stangnya. Iya. Mesin mati pak. Oke, sip. Tenang, nggak apa-apa. Oke. Yuk. Ada kakinya, dek. Ada. Jadi memang harus dibongkar ini. Jadi memang untuk proper ke kegiatan camping adventure selanjutnya. Modif ini lumayan makan waktu sih, karena memang nyicil teman-teman. Jadi stang nggak perlu diganti, kayaknya kita cukup ganti segitiga. Jadi segitiganya punya GL Pro kita ganti. Kalau bebek yang stang lagi tuh.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Jadi emang kebetulan kita mau pakai ganti stang sekalian sih daripada nanggung, karena posisi stangnya itu udah nggak simetris ya, udah bengkok. Jadi di sini saya pakai stang Beat Street nih, Beat Street dari Honda. Stang Beat Street, walaupun lebih pendek ya, yang penting sekuat lah ya. Buat yang tanya untuk kaki-kaki, di sini pakai shock Pro dan juga pakai piringan Tiger. Depan juga ada cakram dimodif ya teman-teman. Ini bagian shock. Ini bagian rem juga saya udah ganti punyanya Supra. Ini pakai shock ISS. Jadi emang kelihatan lebih seger kata abangnya, dan juga nggak terlalu lebar juga sih. Jadi buat nyelip-nyelip tuh jadi enak. Jadi sekalian ganti spion yang C70 kemarin kan patah tuh satu, jadi kita langsung copot. Jadi kita ganti punyanya MGV. Lumayan lebih simple sih kalau dipakai di motor. Jadi spionnya di sini saya ganti pakai punya MGV, ganti spion C70-nya. Jadi lebih simpel, stang juga pakai stang Beat Street, jadi lebih ramping kesannya teman-teman. Jadi bisa irit-irit, nggak takut mentok sama bodi motor lain. Jadi ini udah dibetulin. Emang buat kepentingan touring sih, jadi memang harus proper. Yang diganti tadi segitiga teman-teman. Ini pakai stang Beat Street, ini merek MGV. Nah di sini saya pakai tali rem atau selang rem TDR. Lampu juga ada tambahan sih.